If you hang up, I will kill you.
Hello?
If you hang up, I will kill you.
Really?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah?
No.
Huh?
You
think that's funny?
No.
Really?
Why?
What?
Why not?
Hey, hold up, man. Hold up.
Feeling kind of nervous.
Hold up. Christina! Christina!
Say it.
Christina!
Say it.
Say what?
Say it.
Say what?
Stand up and be a man. You're embarrassing yourself. Yes. Yes.
What? I sit back down. I sit back down. Hello?
If you hang up, I will kill you.
I told you not to use this number.
Why not?
You are aggravating my wife. I told you not to.
Go on, hang up.
Okay.
Why? Don't make me hurt you.
This is Josh's dad.
I'll say hi to your wife for you.
Oh, that was a good one.
I have a highly magnified telescopic image of you.
That was a good one.
Hey, yes.
Are you hot?
Why not? Yes.
You are hot?
Yes.
Are you sexy?
Yes.
Very sexy.
Why not?
Who's your daddy?
Say it.
Who's your daddy?
You're going to learn to obey me.
Who's your daddy?
Hey? So, you want me to trust you to get me out of this?
I gotta go, man.
Do you want your big butt date?
No, sir.
I think you better get off that phone and get it to work.
Bye.